everyone. It's Liz from MediaDev. Today I'm going to give a quick introduction to machine learning and artificial intelligence. So it's all the rage now to be talking about machine learning and artificial intelligence. A lot of people interchange the two concepts simultaneously to mean the same thing. They're slightly different one from the other. So I'll talk a little bit about what's the difference between the two of them. And I will also mention, how this is going to revolutionize marketing in probably not even years to come, I would say even now. So again, these topics are really the talk of the town, so to speak, in the technology business, mainly because it's just so fascinating how quickly the technology is evolving. AI is not really a new concept. We've been talking about artificial intelligence since the time of the Greeks. And certainly in sci-fi films since the 1950s, people have been imagining that robots are going to take over the world and beat the human race, like Terminator and even, Steven Spielberg's AI film, which was such a success when it came back out in the 90s. So artificial intelligence really means making a machine smart. It's optimizing what it does because of features that have been installed in this computer, let's say. Machine learning is a little bit different because it capitalizes on AI in order to enhance the machine's ability to predict, know, use probability, and to mimic a human, really. So it's using data analytics in order to predict behavior, to make suggestions, and it does that kind of on a continual basis over time. So that's why the machine is actually learning based on patterns and, again, different exposure to data. We talk about big data. I find big data to be fascinating. It's pretty amazing how much data we're now in contact with on a daily basis and how machines can use that data again, in order to enhance the user experience. I bought an Echo Dot. We just installed it over the weekend. My kids are fascinated with this. They're asking Alexa questions all the time. We're using her to help us with the cooking, to set an alarm, to give us recipes. She reads stories. She answers questions. My son is always asking random questions like, what's stronger, a hippopotamus or a crocodile? Now I can say, go ask Alexa. 5-year-olds have all these questions. And so, this little speaker is really pretty amazing in what she knows and the data she can access. And I do expect that in the future, this technology is going to be even more on point. I'll give you an example, though, of something that fascinated me over the weekend with Alexa. So my daughter asked her for movie recommendations, and I don't know if it's because she could pick up on her voice or because up until that point she had been asking for things related to children, like playing games and tell me a joke and can you fart, and which she can, by the way. But she said, I have plenty of movie recommendations, but they're for adults, and that wouldn't be appropriate for somebody of your age. So I thought that was pretty amazing. Again, I don't know exactly how she was able to do that, but she was. So now she's learning about our family. And it's true that we kind of consider her a person. My husband was laughing and saying, oh, is it a she or is it an it? And I said, it's a she. So I think more and more of these types of devices and the connectivity of objects and things with IoT are going to take on an even bigger part of our daily lives. And of course, their ability to analyze that data is going to be even more robust down the road. In a marketing perspective, it's huge opportunities for marketers, especially in the B2C space, but also in the B2B one, as we get to know the consumer even better. That machine learning and AI technology is going to be able to offer up additional products and services based on the buying patterns and consumption patterns of the user. So stay tuned for that. And again, this is just a really short introduction to AI and to machine learning. But if you are interested in finding out more, you can check out our resource library at MediaDev.com. Our sister company is also very involved in this type of technology. You can check out their website at Wylog.com. That's WYLOG.com. And yeah, I'd be looking forward to have a discussion with you about it. I'm really very, very passionate about this type of technology. So it's kind of cool to discuss about it with other people. So send me an email, contact@MediaDev.com, and we'll see you soon for another episode of our little vlog videos. So thanks again. Take care. Bye.